Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, The Light of Education. Today, I'm here to deliver an important matter in front of you. Today's the matter is how can we improve our English and how can we speak with our friends fluently. So, at first, I want to introduce myself. This is Abdul Alim. I'm a student of Shikarbari Madrasa. I have been studying at inter second year in Shikarbari Madrasa. I'm from Kumilla. Today, now we have to know how can we learn English and how can we speak with foreigner and with our friends who wants to learn English and who wants to talk with you about English. So we have to follow some rules. At first, you have to listen more because we know we can't learn Bengali from our any teacher or to read any grammar book because we learn English from our mother. Now we are living in an environment which is similar to how to we talk in Bengali, and our environment and family is familiar to Bengal, and for this reason we speak in Bengali fluently, and there is no guilty and excusation and about Bengal. But when I want to learn and when I want to speak in English, and that moment we have faced a lot of problems. And how can we learn, how can we speak in English? And as a foreigner, a Britishian and American, they can speak in English fluently, but we don't know, but we can't speak in English fluently. Why? Of course, there are many lack of environment and some things which is very and crucial for every student. We know that English is an international language all over the world. There is no question about English wherever you want to go, and if you want to improve your life, if you want to get a good job, you have to learn English properly. Most of the university and public university, they gave their lecture in English, and they want to improve their English properly, and most of the students of university they can't know how to learn English properly. And I'm a tiny boy and I'm a student of madrasa, and that is not a question, because if you want to learn English, you have to follow some steps. At first you have to listen more, then you have to talk with your friends, with your buddy or any other man, with your peer, and practice make a man perfect. And if you want to learn English, you have to practice more and practice, then you will learn English properly and speak. Then there are many software in Play Store and Google, and you can download this and talk with your buddies in foreigners, and that it has a lot of good side, because if you have a mind talk to speak your English with your foreigner friends or practice, then you can use this app. But at first you have to listen more for learning English, then you have to read, because we know most of the Bengali people in our country who are loving to read books, such as Munjanin Shohid. He has got 8.5 in IELTS, and how can she this? Of course, he listen more, practice more, and read more and write more. For this reason, he can get 8.5 in IELTS. That was amazing, and that is amazing, and it is ideal for every man who wants to get a good marks in IELTS. So we have to learn English properly, and most of the book in university, and if you want to go a foreign country and want to study there, you have to learn English properly, and you have to speak in English properly, then you have to get IELTS point for this. So thank you audience, and thank you my friends for waiting and for listening my lecture. Please, if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to know the first video which I want to give in my channel. You can get this video firstly, and thank you. Assalamu alaikum.